You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? English pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. Operant, 3 syllables. British English and American English are somewhat similar, although there is a little bit of a difference, which we'll get to in a second. Operant, that's British English. Operant. Now the Americans pronounce it with a more open first syllable as ah, and then they often skip the p syllable and skip the e and pronounce it as operant. Operant. So American English pronunciation operant, or in British English, operant. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.